How to turn off unknown sources on Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and using the search tool, search for unknown and then navigate to that page. And as you can see here, you will find all of the sources that you can allow and turn off when it comes to installing apps. For example, Google Chrome right here, you can see it says allowed, meaning that this source is allowed to install apps. So let's click on it. And once you do that, you will see this option right here that says allow from this source. And it has a toggle that's turned on next to it. So all what you need to do in order to turn off and disable the app installation from this source is to click on that toggle to turn it off. And by doing that, you will see that Google Chrome is now not allowed to install apps, meaning you have just turned off the unknown source. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the app installation from certain sources. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.